almost a year ago, about 11 months ago, we launched the world's first digital twin tokenization engine. We think that's pretty cool.
All right, so we are here at the Twigital Summit, and we've been talking with the rest of our development team about what are some of the next steps for Twigital. I think I want to go back. Where does the Twigital app stand now? I know we had some changes recently, but I just wanted to see where we stand now, and then we'll talk about where we're going.
Yeah, well, it's great to see you again, Brandon.
Likewise.
Always great to be in the same room. So the Twigital app has come a long way. Almost a year ago, about 11 months ago, we launched the world's first digital twin tokenization engine. We think that's pretty cool. So what that means is all within the workflow of the app, you're going to be able to scan and digitize an object. It creates a forensically analyzable one-to-one scale model, digital model of the object, and then it's going to tokenize that and encrypt that. It'll take the form of an NFT. This happens right now on Hedera, all within the workflow of the application. So we've worked out a lot in the past year, coming from sort of inventing this concept to bringing it to fruition and now having a product in the iOS store. So the evolution of the product was initially used something called photogrammetry, which is where you're taking still images around a stationary object usually, or if you have an object that spins on a turntable in front of your lens, you can do it that way as well. Currently, we're using LiDAR, which is probably more akin to video, where you can circumnavigate the object and just take a video of it and make a 3D model that way. So both have their merits. There's a lot of different things that happen on the back end with compute for both of these different things, but we're really learning about all of these different ways that we can digitize things. And so now we're in a great place where the app has been really stable. It's working really well. We've got some good usage and people are having fun with it. So that's where the app is today.
Now let's get into what are some of the things we can do with this in the future? It's been one of the things that we've talked about a lot. It's cool to certainly take these objects and tokenize them, but it's always about the next step. So what are some of the things that we talked about today of allowing people to do something with some of these digital twins once they're created?
Yeah, well, we're all about that progress, right? So as you can see by the logo spinning up here, one of my favorite things about this logo for Twigital is that there's nothing in the middle of it. The whole point of it is that the thing that's in the middle is the object being scanned, and that's the important thing. That's the user. The user is at the center of the application. It's a decentralized application. It's the whole point, right? So whatever the things are that are important to you, you're going to want to be able in the very near future to import those things and be able to use those things in a lot of different ways in a spatial computing environment. So our logical next step, now that we've kind of worked through what does it take to create the world's first digital twin tokenization engine, is what can we do with these tokenized digital twins now that we've created them? And so the first implementation we're going to be adding to our product is going to be spaces. So you're going to be able to populate some spaces with the assets that you're creating using Twigital.
One of the things a lot of people in Web3 and Hedera understand that you can connect your account through Wallet Connect, through Hash Connect with Hashback to these different applications. You might be going to a DEX or a marketplace or something along those lines. We're planning on allowing people to do the exact same thing. So all of the things that you've created, you can then go into this 3D environment, place them around, and pretty much use them as your worldwide showcase for all the objects that you treasure. So it's been exciting to go through that. We're talking about a lot of other things as well, maybe some marketplaces, but it's been a blast to get together with the development team to this point. Is there anything else you'd like to pass on?
Just thanks everybody in the Hedera ecosystem. I've been around a long time. It's really great to see all the developments, and yeah, thank you so much for using Twigital. We can't wait to see how people are going to use it. And look forward to seeing you again soon.
Well, it's been a great idea and it's been a wild ride so far, and I'm looking forward to it in the future. I'm now posting these interviews of Hedera builders independently to my channel. The community, influencers, and media outlets are free to use this content to spread the word on what's being built on Hedera. Once they're all uploaded, you'll be able to go to my channel and search for whatever topic or team you're interested in to find more information. Or you'll be able to get the most recent Hedera news by watching the latest HBAR Weekly update. So check them out.